We all love a great smile, right? And these days, if you don't have one, you can certainly go get one with little to no pain or discomfort. Gum lifts are gaining popularity thanks to shows like Extreme Makeover. Christy Kruger shows us.
I think in the U.S. we're very smile conscious.
Boca Raton dentist Mitchell Pohl says more of his patients are searching for the perfect smile. And many are finding it through crown lifting, or what's more commonly known as a gum lift.
Sometimes we use a cosmetic gum lift to expose the clinical crown of the tooth. This way, instead of a tooth looking short and square, it can make it look more elongated.
33-year-old Jean-Marc Desmatis wanted to change his smile.
I had braces when I was very young, 12 years old, and after I had them removed, I did not wear my retainer. And so over the years, gradually, my teeth kind of just spaced apart and eventually had a gap.
Dr. Pohl suggested porcelain veneers and a gum lift. According to the Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, 80 to 90% of all gum lifts are done in conjunction with veneers.
Dr. Pohl had recommended that we do the gum lift just to kind of get a little bit more length on the teeth, and he said aesthetically it was going to be a much better result, with a gum lift.
The best part for Desmatis, there was no cutting. Dr. Pohl uses a laser to remove the gum tissue, or even bone in some cases.
Using the laser, we can just trim the gum tissue and seal the blood vessels around in the tissue, and it's usually a non-event.
There's not a lot of pain when you use the laser, and the whole procedure itself only takes about an hour. Patients recover a lot more quickly and get back to their normal activities faster than if the traditional scalpel or drill was used.
No, I'm not a pain person, and it really, if I tell you that it's uneventful because I don't like needles and that kind of stuff.
Desmatis is thrilled with his picture-perfect smile. A good example, according to the doctor, of how a simple gum lift can turn a so-so smile into a work of art.
But if the gum tissue doesn't look proportioned or well-balanced, it's like having a beautiful painting with a cheap frame around it. It detracts.